Hello students. Today we will read lesson number 9, page number 84, and the name of the lesson is Nancy has a yellow kite. Let's read the lesson. What happens when Nancy, an American, flies a kite? Today is a holiday. Seema and Raj are in the garden. Jimmy and his sister Nancy are with them. They are not Indians. They are Americans. Jimmy has blue eyes and golden hair. Nancy has green eyes and red hair. The children have kites with them. Seema has a blue kite and Nancy has a yellow kite. They are flying their kites. Look at Nancy's kite. It is flying away into the sky. Nancy is looking at the kite with her mouth wide open. Seema, don't worry, Nancy. Take my kite and fly it. Nancy, oh, thank you very much. I like this game. Please hold the reel. Seema, okay. Jimmy is laughing. This is great fun. He says. He is running after his kite. Raj, Jimmy, are you running after your kite? Or are you running after the parrot? Jimmy, oh, I don't know. I am running after my kite and the parrot is flying with my kite. Raj, he thinks your kite is a parrot. Jimmy, yes, I think so. Both are green. Hello students. Hope you have read the lesson. Now we will know what this lesson tells us all about. So the name of the lesson is Nancy has a yellow kite. This is lesson number 9, page number 84. And the name of the lesson is Nancy has a yellow kite. Now there is a girl named Nancy and she has a yellow color kite. Now look at the picture. Now you can see a girl with a yellow kite. Maybe she is Nancy. This girl is Nancy. Let us know about Nancy. What happens when Nancy, an American, flies a kite? Now Nancy is an American. Who is an American? A person who lives in America is called as American. As we all live in India and called as Indians, same way people who live in America are called Americans. So Nancy is not an Indian. She is an American and she is trying to fly a kite. Now this is a kite and Nancy has a yellow color kite. She is not an Indian. She is an American. So let's read and know about Nancy. Today is a holiday. Now the day is a holiday. Now what do you do when it is a holiday? You play with your friends, you watch television or go out. So the day is a holiday. Seema and Raj are in the garden. Now Seema and Raj are two children. They are in the garden and the day is a holiday. Jimmy and his sister Nancy. Nancy is Jimmy's sister. Are with them. Jimmy and Nancy are with Seema and Raj. Where are they? They are in the garden. They are not Indians. Now you already know that Nancy is an American. Same way, Nancy is an American, so Jimmy is also an American. Jimmy and Nancy are not Indians. They are not Indians. They are Americans. So, we know that today is a holiday. The day is a holiday. Seema and Raj are in the garden with Jimmy and Nancy. Now, Jimmy and Nancy are from America and they are called Americans. Now, let's move. Jimmy has blue eyes and golden hair. Now, see the picture. You can see a boy with golden hair. So, he is Jimmy. Jimmy has blue color eyes. He has blue color eyes and golden hair. Nancy has green eyes and red hair. Now, Nancy has green color eyes and red hair. Now, he is Jimmy. In the picture, he is Jimmy. She is Nancy. This one is Seema. And he is Raj. Now Jimmy, Seema, Nancy and Raj are in the garden. Jimmy and Nancy are Americans. On the other hand, Seema and Raj are not Americans. Let's know. We will read. The children have kites with them. They are having kites. Now see, Jim is also carrying a kite. Seema and Nancy. All three are with the kite. So the children have kites. There are many kites. Seema has a blue kite. Now Seema, look at Seema. She is carrying a blue kite. And Nancy has a yellow kite. Nancy is having a yellow color kite. They are flying their kites. Now they are flying their kites. Nancy with yellow color kite and Seema with blue color kite. Look at Nancy's kite. It is flying away into the sky. It is going into the sky. Nancy's kite is flying away into the sky. Nancy is looking at the kite with her mouth wide open. She is keeping her mouth wide open. The mouth is open. She is looking up in the sky. Looking up in the sky towards her. Seema, don't worry, Nancy. Take my kite and fly it. Now Seema told Nancy, don't worry. Don't worry and take my kite and fly it. Seema said, Nancy, don't worry. You may take my kite and fly it. Nancy, oh, thank you very much. I like this game. This game she liked. Please hold the reel. Now, this is reel. This one is called reel. So, Nancy is requesting Seema to hold the reel, to carry the reel. Seema said, okay, I will help you. I will hold your reel. Jimmy is laughing. Now, Jimmy is laughing. This is great fun. He says he is running after his kite. He is running after his kite. Now Raj said, Jimmy, are you running after your kite? Or are you running after the parrot? Now see, there is a parrot. So Raj is asking Jimmy, you are running after the kite or the parrot? Jimmy, oh, I don't know. I am running after my kite and the parrot is flying with my kite. Now Jimmy is saying I am running with my kite, but the parrot is flying with the kite. Raj, he thinks your kite is a parrot. Now the parrot is thinking this is also a parrot flying in the sky because the kite is also green in color. So maybe this parrot is mistaken and is thinking this is also a parrot. Jimmy, yes, I think so. Both are green. Now, parrot is also green in color and kite is also green in color. Now, let's revise the lesson. This is lesson number 9. Name of the lesson is Nancy has a yellow kite. Now, the day is a holiday. Jimmy, Nancy, Seema and Raj are in the garden. They are out in the garden and it is a holiday. Now, Jimmy and Nancy are brothers and sisters and they are Americans and they are going to fly kite. Now Jimmy has a green color kite, Nancy has a yellow color kite and Seema has a blue color kite. Now they are all flying kites and they are very happy and excited, especially Jimmy and Nancy because they are playing this game for the first time maybe. So they are very excited, very happy. Now you can see Nancy and Seema. Nancy with yellow color kite, Seema with blue color kite. They are all having fun. All 4 of them are having fun, especially Jimmy and Nancy. Now, Jimmy, you can see he's running after the kite. And you can see a parrot is also flying with the kite. So Raj asked, are you running after the kite or the parrot? So Jimmy said, he answered, I am running after the kite. But the parrot may be mistaken. It is also a parrot because both are green in color. With this, we end lesson number 9. Nancy has a yellow color kite. Nancy has a yellow kite. Thank you, students.